you'll need to go to Pages and add a page like I've shown you before. If you click Add Page, you should have some templates here for a quick way to add a contact page. I'll close this since I already have one, and then click here. If you click on this form, you can then edit the form. The form name is important for later. You can leave this as the default or change it to something more memorable. And down below, this is the email that will be attached for notifications. You can view submissions that come through this form with this button, but I'll show you a different way to do that once we look at these other settings. Under Fields, you'll see the existing fields on this form. We can rearrange them like this just by dragging and dropping. And you can click the drop-down to access the label and the placeholder text. I won't change the field type for this existing field, but you can see the options for each of these field types. Here is the required field toggle, and here you can remove the field. I'll scroll up and collapse the email address field, and here you can add new fields as well. When you add the plus, you can select one of these field types, and I'll choose short answer, open it up, and replace the field label with something more appropriate. I'll scroll down to see that the field type is plain text, and then we can explore some of the other settings up here. For example, this tab lets us change the content of the button, this tab lets us style the form, and the Customize Elements dropdown will allow you to change between stylizing the Submit button, the form fields, or the background itself. Finally, you'll also have an Animation tab. Once you're happy with your form, you can close this, and I'll show you another way to access the submissions like I told you we would do before. In the left-hand menu, click More, then click Form Submissions. The Subscribe Form 2 was on our homepage, but if you come over to Contact Forms, this is the one that we renamed Tutorial Form. You have a three-dot menu for this, where you can download all these submissions, or you can view them right here in the Hostinger UI. We don't have any yet, but this is where they will be collected.